Organism diversity. Haloquadratum walsby is an archaea. Its kingdom is Eukaryota, as its phylum and division is also Eukaryota. Its class and order are Halobacteriales, where its family is a Halobacteriaceae. Genus is a Haloquadratum, where its species, scientific name, and common name are Haloquadratum walsby. Haloquadratum walsby is multicellular, eukaryotic, it has a nucleus, and aerobic heterotroph. It's found in very vast salty waters and thrives in high concentration waters. It has a cell wall, which is diacellular, and it practices asexual reproduction. It's a stationary organism, and some similar species are the Methanoprius candleri, the Priolobus fumeri, and the Halobacterium salinarum. And it plays an important ecological role in the environment. Salmonella typhi, it's a bacteria. Its kingdom is Bacteria. Phylum and division are Protobacteria, and its class is a Gamoproteobacteria. The order Enterobacteriales, and its family is an Enterobacteriaceae. Genus is Salmonella, and some species are Salmonella bungorii or Salmonella enterica. Scientific name is Salmonella typhi, whereas its common name is Salmonella. Salmonella typhi is unicellular. It's a prokaryotic cell, and is found in most feces or contaminated foods. It has no nucleus, but it does have a cell wall, and it's mobile and invades new cells, and it reproduces asexually through cell division. So it has 0 human benefits, but Salmonella, fun fact, can be acquired through eating raw cookie dough. And some similar species are non-typodial Salmonella, Salmonella enterica, and Salmonella bungorii. So New Zealand bull kelp, domain is a protist. Its kingdom is Chromista. Phylum and division is Ochrophyta. Its class is Phaeophyceae, and its order are Fucales. Its family is Durvillaceae, and genus is Durvillae. Species is kelp, and its scientific name is Durvillae antarctica, but its common name is New Zealand bull kelp. So New Zealand bull kelp is multicellular, eukaryotic, has a nucleus and cell wall, which is consisted of cellulose and made of algin. It lives among rock-infested shorelines and mostly in waters. And it also lives off the cool water nutrients while using its carbon monoxide to stay afloat and receive the nutrients from the sun. It's autotrophic, and it does both sexual and asexual reproduction. It's a stationary organism, and some similar species would be algae, seaweed, and regular kelp. And it can be used as an oven bag when mixed with seaweed and bull kelp and made the proper way. So Zygomycota, its domain is a fungi, as well as its kingdom is a fungi. Its phylum and division is Zygomycota, and its class are Zygomycetes, but its order is so forth as all of these are. Family, approximately 32 families. Genus, there are multiple genuses, but one would be Rhizopus, and there are 1,060 different species, but one example of that would be bread mold, which is commonly known. Scientific name and common name are the same, Zygomycota. So Zygomycota is multicellular, eukaryotic, has a nucleus, and is heterotrophic. It lives in soil, also in decaying plants and animals, sexual reproduction, and the Zygomycota cell is composed of chitin, chitosan. It's a mobile cell, or mobile organism, and some examples would be bread mold, brewer's yeast, and Rhizopus orzae. And some fact are, and a fun fact is that some are in the form of parasites. So it is beneficial for some Asian food fermentation as well as pest control. So spinach plant, its domain is a plant, kingdom is a plantae, phylum division would be Caryophyllide, and class would be Magnoliospida, order would be Caryophyllales, and family is Amarthinaceae, genus is Spinacia, and species is Spinacia olicera, as well as its scientific name is Spinacia olicera, but its common name is spinach. So the spinach plant is eukaryotic. It contains a nucleus, also contains a cell wall, which is rigid and surrounds the cell membrane, protecting it. It's multicellular, autotrophic, and does asexual reproduction. It's a stationary organism, and spinach is unique due to its edibility and high use as a food source for humans, and it's also a very healthy thing to eat. Some similar organisms would be lettuce, broccoli, or radishes. And a fun fact is that it's used in a lot of human dishes, but it's also the common show Popeye back then. It was what Popeye made him strong, as it also makes humans strong. So African wild dogs, their domain are eukaryote, kingdom is Animalia, phylum and division is Chordae, class Mammalia, order Carnivora, family Canidae, Genus is Lycoan, species is Lycoan pictus, as well as the scientific name is Lycoan pictus, but its common name is African wild dogs. So African wild dogs are multicellular, heterotrophic, eukaryotic, and they contain trillions of cells. They are sexual reproductive. They live in grasslands, savannas, and open woodlands of eastern and southern Africa. They're mobile as they look for food to prey. And some fun facts is their name actually means painted wolf. So the males stay in their pack also, while females are the ones that migrate to new packs. They provide no human benefits, but they are unique for only having 4 toes per forefoot. They are widely endangered due to habitation fermentation, which is humans going after them pretty much, and common organisms would be wolf, dog, or dingoes. And here is the cladogram that I've made for my project.